Hi all, this week we are exploring patterns. So what you will need this week for us is you will need some paper. Be good if you had about 4 sheets of paper, but you can always use the back side. And you'll need some color pencils and a sharpener. So the first thing I want us to do is I want us to make a pattern with just color. So you can start with a pencil and you can give yourselves a couple of lines. Make sure you have an even amount of lines here, or spaces here. So I have 6 spaces. So I'm choosing 3 colors, and just so you know, we are making patterns, right? So a pattern is something that repeats. So if I start with pink here, I should move on to another color after pink. I'll move on to my purple tone. Oh, I lied. Going over to green. So I have pink, then I have green, and then I will have purple. So that's not a pattern quite yet, right? Because there's no repetition. Nothing is repeating. But to complete the pattern, we need to repeat that color combination. So go in with pink again. I'm going to color that whole piece there pink. And then if that piece is pink, what's my next color? My next color should be green to complete that pattern. And then I should finally finish this work with my purple. And this is a simple pattern, just having 3 colors that repeat once, but is still a pattern due to it repeating. So that was our simple color pattern. Next, we are going to make a line pattern. So I want us to think about lines like we did last week. I am making 3 orange straight lines, 2 zigzag gold lines, and quite a bit of blue diagonal lines. So I must repeat that same pattern I started with. So I go in with orange again, and then I go in with my gold, and I finish that piece with blue. So that was my line pattern. And then I'm going to make a shape pattern. So I'm going to use 3 different colors again, and I'm going to be repeating different shapes. So starting with circles, then I move on to triangles, then I create squares. When I start back over, I'm going back in with circles, and then my triangles, and lastly, my squares to complete that pattern. So, what's the last thing we're going to do? We're going to try to combine all 3 of these patterns. So, I'm going to have some shapes involved, so I'm going to use circles. And then I'm going to use some stripes, zigzags pulling from my line pattern. Then I want to add some color, a color stripe here like I did in my first pattern. And then we're going to go back in with more shapes. I'm going to create a different shape here, a triangle shape, adding that to my patterns here. And notice how I'm overlapping my color and my shape portion of this pattern. And then I'm going to repeat. So remembering to do the same order and using the same colors as I did in the first aspect of this pattern. And notice there is a bit of space left in this piece here. So I'm going to continue the pattern using circles and my stripes, and that's it. So that is my finished piece. What I want from you all is that hopefully we can create our own patterns, and you can do that in a variety of ways, and I hope to see some of your patterns this week.